Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Nest camera or night vision not working. Okay. So as if you are facing this issue, don't worry. We are going to solve this issue by each step. First of all, setting the night vision to auto. In the Google Home app, select the camera you want to adjust on the home screen. Tap on video. Under night vision, choose the always on, auto or off. Okay. In the Nest app, choose the camera on the home screen and then go to setting, then night vision. Toggle the setting to auto. Okay. And avoid external light interference. Ensure that outdoor light do not shine directly into the camera lens, as a bright light can hinder the camera from the switching to night vision mode. Okay. And resetting the night vision setting. If your Nest camera is set up in the Google Home app, select the camera on the home screen and then navigate to the setting and then night vision. Toggle the setting off, then back on the refresh night vision. Okay. And restarting the camera. You can restart it by unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting for 10 seconds and then plug it back in. The camera will then start the startup process and reconnect to your network. So this is the all step. Thanks guys. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.